With a view to position India as the global leader in technical textiles, the Ministry of Textiles has launched the National Technical Textiles Mission to achieve a market size of $40 billion and export of $10 billion by 2024 to 2025. Minister of Textiles, Commerce and Industry and Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Shri Piyush Goyal's direction and vision of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Textile Ministry promote usage of technical textiles in various flagship missions, programs, including strategic sectors in India, improve penetration level of technical textiles and upgrade skill set of the workforce, develop indigenous machineries and process equipment for technical textiles to promote Make in India and enable competitiveness of the industry, promotion of innovation amongst young engineering, technology, science standards and graduate, along with the creation of innovation and incubation centers and promotion of startup and ventures. Technical textiles has 12 segments: Meditech, Mobile Tech, Ocotech, Bagtech, Protech, Sport Tech, Agrotech, Buildtech, Cloth Tech, Geotech, Home Tech, and Indutech. It's now time to talk about protective textiles. What are protective textiles? Protective textiles are one kind of technical textile that is used to protect humans and properties from various types of hazards. These textiles provide protection against hazards such as heat, fire, blast, impact, cuts, chemical splashes, dirt, nuclear, biological, chemical, mechanical, electrical, coal, rain, snow, wind, UV radiation, and many more. These types of textiles are used by workers working in hazardous industries like steel, aluminium, copper, oil and gas, cement, military and paramilitary forces. Besides, protective textile has a very important role in the protection of humans and properties in public places like cinema halls, railways, hotels, hospitals, and many more. Let us have detailed information on these protective textiles. Starting with firefighter suit. These are used by firefighter in case of fire to save human life and property. Bulletproof jackets. A bulletproof jacket or vest. A bulletproof jacket is an item of body armor that helps absorb the impact and reduce or stop penetration from firearm-fired projectiles and fragmentation from explosions. Full body protector. A full body protector is a personal protective ensemble used by law-protecting bodies for physical protection against brick batting, cane, knife, acid attacks, and projectiles encountered in a riot situation and other violent encounters. NBC suit. Nuclear, biological, and chemical suit. Its components and functions. The NCB suit can provide continuous protection to the personnel with chemical agents in liquid, aerosol, and vapor. Nuclear and biological threat. It has water and oil repellent and flame retardant properties as well. Extreme cold weather clothing. Extreme cold weather clothing refers to clothing for Arctic or mountainous areas. Its primary function is to trap air as an insulator to prevent heat loss from the wearer's body. It also helps in keeping the water vapor away from the body to keep the insulating layers dry. One such type of extreme cold weather clothing system, ECWCS. ECWCS is a 3-layer system comprising 6 components. These are inner layer of jacket and trousers, middle layer of jacket and trousers, and outer layer, weather protection layer of jacket and trousers. Worn together and designed to keep the body warm in temperatures of up to -50 degrees Celsius. It is worn by soldiers in the high-altitude regions, including the Siachen Glacier, which is the highest battlefield in the world. Work wear for cement industry workforce provides protection from micro-cement dust and other construction materials. In absence of such work wear, workforce working in the construction and cement industry may be affected from respiratory, cardiovascular, skin problems, and diseases. Mosquitoes repellent net and garment. A mosquito repellent textile is one such textile product that protects the human being from the bite of mosquitoes and thereby promises safety from the diseases like malaria, Nile fever, and bacterial infections. Workwear for the chemical industry. Chemical protective clothing is the clothing worn to shield those who work with chemicals from the effects of chemical hazards that can cause injuries on the job. It provides a last line of defense for chemical safety. Workwear for the foundry, steel, and aluminium industry. They are specifically designed for protective clothing used in environments that pose serious fire risk or safety hazards associated with hot works or radiant heat sources and molten metal splash. Workwear for the oil and gas industry. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration requires that oil and gas industry workers wear FR clothing when executing special tasks on the job. The requirement is due to the presence of flash fire, one of the biggest and most dangerous hazards that oil and gas industry workers face. Center of Excellence on Protective Textile. The textile industries and the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, jointly established Northern India Textile Research Association in 1974 to conduct applied research and provide support services to the textile industry. NITRA is located on Delhi NCR, Ghaziabad, on 50-acre lush green land. NITRA has been designated COE for protective textile by the Ministry of Textiles.
Northern India Textile Research Association, shortly known as NITRA, has been set up by Ministry of Textiles. 10 years ago, we have been accredited as Center of Excellence for Protective Textiles. It has developed a number of products which has been commercialized and widely used by the paramilitary forces and army.
It has the expertise and technical capability for quality evaluation, product development, and knowledge dissemination in the field of protective textiles.